Hello, this is Mr. Huff, and I want to show you a couple of things that we did yesterday. So the first thing I want to show you is doing a multimode calculation. So what we're going to do is look at our data set. So if we look at this, this is the data we've been working with. That's student height data. All of our data is in column D from cell 1 to 25. And to do a multimode calculation as an array, we're going to select at least 4 cells. And with those 4 cells selected, we start typing in our formula equal mode dot MULT, and then put in our numbers. Our data set is D1 colon D25. And when you get to this point, don't press enter. The magic keys to start an array calculation are shift plus control plus enter. And when you do that, you will see that it completes several cells. This is an array calculation. If you get into a situation where it's saying you can't modify an array and it won't let you do anything else, press the escape key. To get rid of this, you need to right-click on it and click delete, and it will go away. You may have to tell it to shift the cells up or to the left. But let's look at what it's telling us. In this data set, and I have changed some of the numbers so that I could have more than one mode, but we can see that in this data set, I have 3 modes, 5.06, 5.21, and 5.28. The next thing I want to do is show you how to do descriptive statistics. So what I'm going to do is click on the menu item. If you look here at the top, the menu item where it says data, I'm going to click on it. At the far right, you'll see where it says data analysis right here. You click on this and it pops up with this little window. You're going to select descriptive statistics. While there are a lot of things going on in this list, the only 2 we will be using are descriptive statistics and histogram, which will be shown in another video. Okay, so here we are. Descriptive statistics, click OK. At this point, I'm going to click on, I need to identify my input range, so I'm going to click on this little waffle button. I don't know what else to call it. It looks like a waffle to me, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to highlight my data range here, so that's cells D1 through D25, and then I click on the drop down again, and I want to also put this in an output range. I want it to be on the same page, so I click on output range, and I click on the waffle here. I like to put it away from the data because it's going to overwrite some things and populate a couple of columns. So I want to make sure that's far away from anything I've already typed. I click on the drop down here, and then I need to display the summary statistics. That's what I want to see. There are other choices here, but the one we're interested in is summary statistics. So we click OK, and there they are. If you point between the J and the K columns, it will turn to a left-right arrow, and if you double-click that, it will make it auto-fit everything in the cells. If you compare the numbers here, you should see similar values from the ones we entered by hand earlier, and I may talk about that in another video. But right now, this gives you a static snapshot of the data. Notice that if you click on one of these numbers, it is actually a number. If you look right here in the formula bar, it shows that that is just a number. It's not going to change if you update the data. So if you changed your data, you need to redo this. And that is how you do multimode calculations and how you do descriptive statistics. Have yourself a nice day.